Hello, I'm Joe Hren. Indiana Department of Corrections officials say Cody Cousins, the man who killed a fellow Purdue engineering major in January, was found dead in his Michigan City prison cell last night. Officials say Cousins had self-inflicted lacerations to his neck and both arms from a standard issue razor inmates are given for personal grooming. Department of Corrections spokesman Doug Garrison says Cousins had been at the prison less than a week following psychological evaluation at a state prison in Plainfield. 24-year-old Cousins was sentenced to 65 years in prison for the murder of Andrew Bolt in January. According to the Indiana State Police, 911 services have now returned to normal after an outage. An AT&T phone fiber line was severed somewhere between Brown County and Columbus around 10 a.m. Monroe County Emergency Dispatch Communications Director Jeff Schemmer says more than 100,000 Indiana residents were affected by the outage. And healthcare and children's advocacy groups are calling on Governor Mike Pence to push for future funding of the Children's Health Insurance Program, or CHIP. Congress reached out to every governor asking for feedback and recommendations as it considers whether to continue financially supporting the program. Caitlin Priest, a spokeswoman for the group covering Kids and Families Indiana, says 30 organizations are urging Governor Pence to express his support, noting that 83,000 Hoosier children use CHIP. The governor's office says it's preparing a letter in response to Congress' request for feedback, though officials don't say what the letter will include. The deadline to respond is Friday. And now a quick check of the weather forecast. Mostly clear tonight, lows down to 35 degrees. And in the 5-day forecast on Thursday, a 30% chance of showers, 55 the high, then cooling down to 49 by Friday. Mostly sunny conditions to start the weekend, 45 degrees your high.